Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, gstack. Imagine having an entire AI-powered executive and engineering team in a single repository. This project packages 23 opinionated tools that automate the roles of CEO, designer, and QA, providing a fascinating look at how AI can augment or even build a complete development workflow. Imagine a single developer doing the work of a 20-person team. This isn't just a thought experiment. It's the bold claim behind a new project. A project that suggests an 810-fold productivity increase, and it's backed by one of Silicon Valley's most influential figures. So, the question is, are we about to witness the rise of the one-person software factory? The project is called gstack. It's an open-source toolkit created by Garry Tan, the CEO of Y Combinator, and its popularity is just skyrocketing. We're talking over 93,000 stars on GitHub, with nearly 1,000 of those added in a single day. gstack is described as an open-source software factory. Its mission is to take an AI assistant, like Claude Code, and transform it into a complete virtual engineering team. This team would handle it all, from the initial product strategy all the way to the final deployment. So, what problem is gstack trying to solve? Well, AI assistants are great at writing code, but they often lack process and discipline. A solo developer still has to juggle multiple roles, acting as the CEO, the designer, the engineer, and the QA lead all at once. All that context switching is a huge drain on efficiency and a recipe for mistakes. Before tools like gstack, talking to an AI was just a free-form chat, which could lead to unpredictable and inconsistent results. What makes gstack different is its approach. It codifies the entire software development process. It elevates the AI from a simple Copilot to a structured, role-playing team. A team that follows a strict, repeatable workflow. Let's dive into the technical details. At its core, gstack is a workflow as code engine. Think of it this way. The AI acts as a high-level planner, while gstack's scripts handle the actual execution on your local machine. This makes the process reliable and verifiable. This core idea really shines through in three key areas. First, gstack uses the browser automation tool, Playwright. This essentially gives the AI eyes and hands to interact with a real web browser. It can perform end-to-end tests just like a human QA engineer, clicking buttons and checking layouts. Second, there's its clever memory management. For short-term memory, it uses Git for something called continuous checkpointing. This saves the session state, so no work gets lost. For long-term memory, it connects to a knowledge base named gbrain. This allows the AI to learn about a project over time and remember context from one session to the next. And finally, there's its multi-agent coordination. This feature allows different AI models, even from competing vendors, to work together securely inside a shared browser. This is a huge step toward building truly complex, multi-agent systems. So, who is this for in the real world? The main users are technical founders, solo developers, and engineering leads. A founder could use gstack to build, test, and ship an entire product all by themselves. A tech lead could use it to enforce team standards. They can integrate commands like review and QA directly into their automated testing and deployment workflow, what's known as a CI/CD pipeline. And getting started is surprisingly easy, with just a one-line install command. For developers who are new to AI, gstack offers much-needed structure. Instead of staring at a blank prompt, they can use commands like office hours to guide the conversation and get more productive results. Of course, no project is without its challenges, and gstack is no exception. First, it's heavily optimized for Anthropic's Claude Code. Getting the same level of performance with other models could require a lot of extra work. Then there's the security question. The architecture gives an AI agent high-level permissions to run code on a local machine. That comes with some built-in risks. While there are safeguards in place, it's theoretically possible that a cleverly crafted malicious prompt could cause some real damage. Finally, The system itself is complex. Its long-term success will depend on how well it can be maintained and how quickly it can adapt to the rapid evolution of AI models. So, in the end, gstack is far more than just another AI coding tool. It's a meticulously crafted blueprint for an entirely new way of building software. It has the potential to transform a single developer into a highly organized, AI-powered factory. And that's why it demands our attention. It codifies a scalable process for how humans and AI can collaborate, pointing towards the future of software development.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.